Looking for car tire dressing? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 9 car tire dressing available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect stand mixer for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Technic T2 Tire Dressing. A simple application that's been formulated to keep your tires clean, shiny, spotless and in pristine condition for longer than ever. T2 is easy to apply and helps prevent cracking, fading, and hardening of your tires and help make your tires look like they just came out of a showroom. Uses a 100% green formula that will not get slung onto your car's bodywork whilst driving. For a satin look, apply just 1 coat, but for a satin effect, apply 2 to 3 coats for the perfect look that you'll be after. T2 is body shop safe and repels dirt and grime from your tires without degrading their durability in any way. This is the perfect product for any car owner looking for professional results, and this easy application product dries quickly too. Shake product well and wear protective gloves when using this product. Thoroughly clean and dry tires and trim prior to application and do not apply in direct sunlight. Apply product to an AP3 dual layered soft foam applicator pad, also available on Amazon, and then spread evenly onto the tire. Using a TRC cloth, remove any excess residue. For additional gloss, reapply 10 minutes after application. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the All-American Car Care products. This high-gloss tire dressing silicone-based coating is great for use on rubber, tires, vinyl, leather and plastic. One application gives maximum protection and silky shine for weeks while leaving a fresh scent. Cleans, protects, and leaves a non-stick glossy high-shine finish to your dashboard, exterior vinyl and protects from harmful UV rays. American vinyl and tire may be applied as often as you like without the fear of any clouding or discoloration. Concentrated formula may be diluted 1:1 with water. Proudly made in the USA. At number 3 on our list, we have the Carfident Tire Shine Spray Kit. Carfident Tire Shine Spray unique nano-polymer formula is like no other tire shine you have tried. Just a few sprays and a quick wipe with our included applicator, and your wheel will look slick, wet, dark and looking like you just rolled off the showroom floor. Many people use car detailing kits, wheel cleaners, waxes, polishes and all other car accessories, but never consider that tires need protection too. Tires are expensive, and you can protect them while making them look good. Our Ultimate Tire Shine will protect your tires from harmful UV rays, salt and other road grime. Make sure to use our wheel cleaner in addition to the tire shine to avoid dry rot and deterioration of your tires and rubber. Like all our automotive detailing supplies, we formulate our products to be the absolute best. We don't believe in extra dyes or harmful scents. We give you pure high-quality chemicals you need, with nothing you don't. Our spray is non-toxic and safe for you, your vehicle and the environment. At number 4 on our list, we have the Dura Dressing Total Tire Kit. Dura Dressing Permanent Tire Dressing will outlast and outshine any other tire dressing available today. Because it's not silicone or oil-based. It's a polymer, and it dries completely dry to the touch, is waterproof, washable, won't turn brown, won't fling, race tested to 160 plus miles per hour, won't turn brown, and lasts months even on a daily driver. This kit includes everything you need to strip off your old silicone-based tire dressing and create a perfect palette for the new clear coat tire dressing to stick to. Tire dressing that shines even in the rain. Because when your tires shine every day, your car always looks cleaner. At number 5 on our list, we have the All-American Car Care products. American Dressing Type 3 is a professional rich gloss tire dressing and long-lasting coating protectant designed to virtually be the highest gloss tire dressing in the market today. An all-purpose non-solvent dressing that will restore faded body side moldings, vinyl, leathers, plastic and rubber for longer wear. 1:1 concentrate when used on interiors directly from manufacturer to you. Highest gloss dressing in the market. Biodegradable, a green product, low impact to the environment. Think dressing for better tire holding, won't splash on paint. At number 6 on our list, we have the Stoner Car Care More Shine Tire Dressing. No rubbing or wiping, just spray and walk away, doesn't foam, drip or streak. Lasts longer because it contains no water or surfactants, soaps, that evaporate and wash off easily with water. Repels water and waterborne dirt, shines 4 tires in 60 seconds. Used by professional detailers for over 30 years, lets you control the finish, spray a light coating for a soft matte finish or a heavy coating for a bright, shiny finish. At number 7 on our list, we have the Car Tire Shine Gallon. Car Tire Shine is a non-greasy, dry to the touch formula that is super quick and easy to use. Lets you decide your desired level of tire shine, provides long-lasting UV protection, and like all our products, it's backed with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Everyone is different. With our product, you choose your own look. From a wet-looking high-gloss shine to a silky smooth satin finish, the choice is yours. Completely dries to the touch, leaving you with the perfect-looking finish and none of that horrible runoff sling. The bottle will last long, and the protection will too. Just one layer works to hydrate the surface and defend against harmful UV rays that cause fading, browning, and cracking. This special product is boosted with a proprietary, long-lasting polymer additive that works to extend longevity and enhance product performance. We care about quality. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high-quality products that always work great. Every formula we make is mixed and bottled in the USA by hard-working Americans. At number 8 on our list, we have the Chemical Guys SPI 22216 Interclean Interior Quick Detailer. Chemical Guys Interior Quick Detailer spray cleans, conditions, and protects interiors and only leaves behind a gentle baby powder scent. It's safe on plastic, vinyl, leather, glass, and more, making it perfect for LCD navigation screens, steering wheels, and seats. Bye-bye, finger smudges. The Snow Foam Premium Foaming Car Wash can be diluted in a bucket and used as a traditional soap or used with a foam gun. Either way, it eliminates dirt, grime and environmental contaminants, yet gentle enough on paint as well as on all waxed and sealed surfaces. This formula is a hyper-concentrate and dilutes to 1 cap full with 5 gallons of water. Dilute according to your desired needs. Laughably goofy looking, the microfiber wash mitt is extra plush and fluffy to hold tons of suds. Microfiber is great for car washing because it's extra soft, extra absorbent, and helps protect against swirls and scratches. Also good for impromptu puppet shows. The high-gloss detailing spray protects your paint and makes it look straight off the lot shiny. Plus, it can also be used to clean wheels, glass, headlights, even textured plastic. And finally, at number 9 on our list, we have the Dura Dressing Total Tire Kit. Dura Dressing Tire Kit includes a permanent tire dressing spray that makes your tires shine for months, even in the rain or with daily driving. Single car kit. Dura Cleaner Tire Dressing is a polymer coating, not silicone or oil-based dressing, so it's not greasy or oily. It dries completely to the touch, is waterproof, washable and doesn't turn brown. Race tested to 160 plus miles per hour with no sling. We're car lovers who appreciate a deal too. With this Dura Coating Tire Kit, you'll get everything you need to strip off your old silicone-based tire dressing and create a perfect palette for the new clear coat to stick to. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.